pictures flying private jet are all over the internet, yet they say they are not sponsored. Okonkwo. Not the new info. The Obidati presidential campaign spokesperson Kenneth Okonkwo has slammed the Lamido Apapa's faction for saying that Peter Obi is being sponsored by Atiku. Okonkwo was a joint interview section with the spokesperson of Lamidi Apapa's led faction of Labour Party, Abayomi Arababi, when he said the ruling party is the one sponsoring them. During the interview, Arababi had first stated that Julius Abure and Peter Obi have been sponsored by the People's Democratic Party, PDP, presidential aspirant Waziri Atiku Abubakar, when Okonkwo countered him by questioning how they suddenly begin to fly private jets. Okonkwo said that if a man tells you that he's interested in Peter Obi and that he is not ready to withdraw the case in the court, and the same man is also saying that Peter Obi is being sponsored by Atiku, does anyone need to tell you that the man is being sponsored? They are a department of the ruling party. Look at men that couldn't contribute anything to the Labour Party, but today they are flying on jets to go to visit who? Their pictures are all over the internet. Don't be small thing. Therefore, my listeners are there, what should be your take on this short hand? Their pictures flying private jet are all over internet. Yeah, they said they are not sponsored. Okonkwo, please react to that. If as you do so believe, do justice to every of your reactions. Talk about the various opinion. They're already popping in for the comment section. The first one is from the person of Jesus is the only way. Say Kenneth Okonkwo is a star, a man who knows his onion. He's just like Peter Obi in terms of intelligence and wisdom. The Mumuma from Apapa camp has exposed himself by saying Peter Obi is sponsored by Atiku, rubbishing denial that they never intend to withdraw the petition of Peter Obi and the LP from the tribunal. So now, who is deceiving who? This Apapa gang is undoubtedly the political arm of APC, a mall deploy and sponsor to scatter the LP they have failed in advance. Not a small thing. They're from Soji. See, where is the picture of the private jet he's flying with? This man can lie too much. It's like he's enjoying lying. When he lie near APC government, when they lie near, now you see they talk. Like live people. When I say I go upload result, I go use beavers. Now not use beavers. So now promise heaven and earth, so now the election will be free and fair. Now go use beavers. And not use beavers. Come and deceive people finish. Now do it, use on our own initiative. Take do it. The way go take favor now do it. Still people mandate finish and see they talk. Now they abuse people. As if God not there. Then from Olaleka, you see when Obi talk, Big Daddy say they say it is sponsored by ruling party, but it was truth. When Daddy commit treason, they say it was sponsored when Obi was detained in prison and set back. They say it was sponsored. Now Abure committed a serious crime. They left the crime aside and said it was sponsored. Now that the argument has come up with PDS, sponsor of Obi, they turn it to flying jet around. See, oh boy, if you just try to support truth now, Obi go somebody so right from time now somebody that is sponsor Obi. It bless you don't even know what you do. You don't know what you talk as well. Then from Uzeshima, say this old fool is being used against Labour Party. Where are those idiots that say we should respect elders? Can you call this idiot a responsible elder? Not be small, But it's good that you respect elders. There are ways you address them. They will know that they have not done well. Think of this now. We are wrapping it. Please endeavor to subscribe to this channel and also ensure that you share the very news to all social media platforms as you do so believe the Almighty God will do the very need for your life. Bye bye.